Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply update your Snapchat account location. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Snapchat right here. After you open up your Snapchat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for see my location. Click on that. It take you right here. Now what you need to do is to turn off ghost mode. And this is going to pump up. Turn off ghost mode. Choose who can see your location. So right here, you can decide that your friends see your location. Your friends accept some certain people. Only this type of friend. Everything depends on you. So in this tutorial, I will simply click on my friends. Then share location with all of my friends. Then click on OK. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply update your Snapchat account location. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.